Do you want to know how to make money on Crypto.com app? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I made quite a few videos about Crypto.com, and many viewers have asked if I can record a video that shows in full how to make money, the different opportunities. So therefore I decided to record this video where I will show you 8 different methods you can use this app to earn some extra money if you're interested in crypto. So I have now logged into the Crypto.com app, and let's just jump straight to the first method to earn, and that is that you can both get a joining bonus, but you can also give a joining bonus to others and also earn when they then decide to join. So this is the referral program, and that means that you can get $25 joining bonus if you join through an invitation link. And of course I do have an invitation link and code like that. You can see my code here, so I'll leave a link below also, so you can join through that if you're not yet a member. But you can also invite others once you're a member. If you join through that invitation link, you will get a $25 joining bonus, but if you invite others, you will give them a $25 joining bonus, and if they decide to join, you will also get a joining bonus. So it's a win-win situation. Just be aware that there are some requirements you see here that if you want the joining bonus yourself, or if the friends that you invite wants it, then they need to lock up Crow, like the cryptocurrencies of Crypto.com there, to get a Ruby card, like a Visa card there. And then once they do that, you can read all about that inside the app there, then you will get the bonus, they will get the bonus. So that's one way to earn. You can earn some nice extra money. You can both get the joining bonus if you're not yet a member, you can give it to others, you can earn when you're inviting others. So that's one way to earn, but there are many others ways to earn also if you don't want to invite others, or if you're not interested in getting the joining bonus if you're already a member. So let's continue going over different ways to earn here. So the next option is to use what's called DCA, or dollar cost averaging, which means that you buy a certain cryptocurrency at a set time levels, because statistically many people claim that this is the safest way to, for example, if you want to get Bitcoin, then you set it up so you automatically buy, for example, every week, it can be every day, it can be every month, and then over time then you will get the best buy-in price, which also means that you can earn the most when it hopefully increases in price. And many people use this option in general, and Crypto.com just makes it super easy to do. You would just need to go, for example, to click here to trade. You can also use the buy option if you want to, and then you just click it. I will click to buy, and then let's say I want to do it with Bitcoin, so I'll click this one here. And what you can see here, then I have this option, one-time buy, but if I click here, I can choose this one here, target price also, so when it reaches a certain target price. But when we're talking about this DCA, we'll talk about the target one later, the recurring buy, so I will choose this one. And then you can see, then I need to set it up, and you can see here, for example, I can say like, okay, I want to like $100 here, and you can see you want to do it with the frequency. How often do you want to do it? It can be daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. So let's say you want to do it weekly, then you can do that there. You can see repeat on which day should it be repeated on, and how do you want to pay. So that's how you do it. Then you don't have to think about it, because sometimes when it comes to trading, so emotions can get in the way, so we maybe don't make the best decisions. And many people claim that then using DCA, where you just set it up and it buys automatically over a long period of time, that gives the best overall buy-in price. So if this is something you have considered, then it's definitely easy to set up using the Crypto.com app. So the next option way to earn on Crypto.com, we kind of just slightly touched upon it. This is the target price. This can both be buying and selling. So this is where you can buy and sell automatically. So for example, if I want to first buy, if I don't have anything, then I will click just to buy. You also, where I saw it before. So let's say you want to buy Bitcoin. Again, you choose what you want to buy, and you can see you can do it at one time, but you can do this target price also. So you say like, okay, when it comes down, a certain amount, certain percentage, or reaches a certain target price, then I want to buy. So you don't have to keep an eye on the market the whole time, because you might miss the opportunity. It might reach a certain level in the middle of the night where you are. The same with selling. You do the exact same thing. You can say like, when it reaches this price, I want to sell. So that means like if it has a quick spike, for example, when you're not in front of your computer, phone, or in the middle of the night, it will sell when it reaches that level you have set, and you won't have missed that opportunity. So this automatic or target price buying and selling is a really great opportunity not to miss out on potentially great trades, and it's super easy to set up on crypto.com compared to many other platforms I've tested. So the next option is super easy and also free to participate in. Here you go up to missions, and this is where you once per day you can actually just come in here. Now it's not available for me because I already did it today, but there will be a button where you can claim a free diamond, and once you do that, you can claim different rewards there. That, for example, can give you Crow, like Crypto.com's own cryptocurrency, as a reward. I do have a video where I show my results after I've opened more than 20 of these different mystery boxes you can get. So I'll leave a link in the top corner so you can check that out. But you can also earn this just by being active. For example, you see if you, for example, in one day you buy or sell for $100, you will also get like 10 diamonds. If you buy or sell for more than 500, you'll get this. There's also some exploration here. So there's different tasks you can do where you will also get these diamonds. So all this you can then use here to go to the store. You can get the mystery boxes. Sometimes there's also more like NFTs. There can be other subscription, all kind of things. So definitely if you use the Crypto.com app, this is a section you need to be aware of, because it's just an easy way to potentially get some free crypto. So the next option, you need to go to the menu over here. At least that's how it is at the time recording this. Sometimes the interface is updated a little bit, but then you'll just find it somewhere else. It's not that difficult, but there is an option here called Earn. And this is where you can earn passively. When you have crypto in your Crypto.com wallet, you can see the current rates that these are up to. There can be some differences depending also on your membership level and things like this. But also if you have flexible, so that means if you just, for example, this particular one here, or if you say, let's see, like a Bitcoin here, you say like, okay, if you are flexible, so you just have it so you can take it out at any time, then you will earn 0.10% interest, so not very high. But for example, if you want to lock it up for 3 months, then you get 1%. So some of them you can see, for example, here right now, and this can change. Sometimes they run campaigns where they give even more, for example, here up to 7%, up to 4%. So if you have crypto standing anyways, even up to 15% there, and you know you're not going to sell it right now, but if you use the flexible option, you can just do it whenever, but then you will actually earn while having it here. So definitely a good way to just slowly grow your portfolio if you're just having it standing there waiting for another opportunity to just hold it. Maybe you want to hold it for years, maybe you want to wait for a certain time in the market, but then you can actually earn at the same time. So another option is to stake, and it's a little bit similar there in some ways, you can say, in the way that you get interest. You can see the current ones they have here. They have continuously added more. When they first launched this staking option, there was only a few cryptocurrencies. You can see now here there are quite a few more. Some of them give quite good returns. Again, you see, for example, this one here, almost 14%. For Ethereum here, you can stake that also and get more than 3% there. You can see Cosmos there, almost 11%. Crypto.com's own cryptocurrency here, you see more than 4.5%. Elrond here also more than 4%. So you can stake it here. Just always read the conditions here. Sometimes it can take a little bit of time to unlock it if you want to do something with your money there. So make sure to read that for each of the conditions here, or for each of the cryptos. So if you just know that there, then this can also be a great way to earn passively. Again, if you're just having the crypto standing there, you don't have to do anything. This will be paid out quite regularly there. So you just continuously see your portfolio grow without doing anything extra. And let's stick with the passive ways to earn here. We have one more method there, and this is the supercharger. You find it the same way in the menu there. And you can see this is where you will basically lock up Crow coins. So like the Crypto.com own cryptocurrency, and then they have different campaigns where you just need to, like, we have this much we put there, and you can load it, you can take it out whenever you want, so you can do that immediately if you want to. And then there's a period where you're like charging it. Right now at the time of recording this here, you can see there's a Bitcoin. So then once that period is over, how much you will earn depends on how big a part of the pool you have and everything like that. This is the total amount that they will actually give out there, and then you will, once the charging period is over, so the allocation period, they will pay out, and then you just start paying out whatever you've earned. So in my experience, it doesn't give huge returns compared to some of the other options, but it can be a way if you have Crow coins standing there that you want to just use for something there, to get something, you can put them in the supercharger pool there and potentially earn some extra, or you will earn some extra. The question is like how much it will be, but again, you don't have to do anything extra for this. So the last option I want to go over is Crypto.com Pay. You can find that here at the time recording this video anyways. And again, the interface can change a little bit, and also you can adjust it also. So it might look a bit different, but it's just to show the opportunities. If it doesn't look exactly the same, you will find it in there. You can just search how to find it there. But this is basically a cashback section that many people are not really aware of. You can see, for example, here, some of these options that you can get here. So if you go, for example, Ledger, if you want like a cold wallet there for your crypto, you can get 5% back. So whatever you spend back, basically you will get back into your Crypto.com wallet here. So what you're going to spend anyways, you will just basically get a discount. So that's how cashback works, and this section can be really great for that. And in that section, there's also a gift card section. So you can see you can even buy gift cards. You can change the country up here, so you can also go and see exactly what is available in your country. These are the countries that this option currently is available in. And then you can see, for example, here you see if you buy a gift card for Starbucks, you will get 5% back. So Google Play, Target, Domino's, Burger King, Home Depot. There's like a lot of gift cards. The exact gift cards will vary. They will be relevant for your country, the ones that's available in. So again, if you're planning to buy something in any of these places here, then why not get some cash back there? And many people are just not aware of it. So it can be a really great option to use this Crypto.com Pay. You can also, even some countries, you can get this airtime there. You can also even sometimes get crypto cashback when you send crypto to your friends there. So really great section to be aware of also to earn inside the Crypto.com app. So as you can see, the Crypto.com app has many different ways to earn. Of course, you can buy, sell crypto, trade crypto as you can on most platforms. Crypto.com just makes it very easy also for beginners. Just be aware, I'm not a financial advisor, so any investment you make in crypto or anything else, that is of course at your own risk. Crypto is a volatile market, so it has risks. But as you can also see inside the Crypto.com app, there's also other ways to earn than trading. It has a lot of different options that I have not seen on many other crypto platforms. And personally, I just think it's this really user-friendly app. And as mentioned earlier, also I do have an invitation code. If you're not yet a member, you want to get the chance to get this $25 joining bonus, you're welcome to use my invitation link. I will leave that below so you can check that out. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.